Hello world, in this video I'm going to show you how I made delicious pumpkin mousse using only a few ingredients. So in a pot over medium heat, I added all the ingredients and mixed everything well together. Then once it looks well combined and the ingredients look like it's melted and mixed in, I set it aside and let it cool completely before pouring it into these adorable dessert cups by DLux. What's great about these dessert cups is that they are great for parties, events, and to give to family, friends, or enjoy them yourself. The list of ingredients to this pumpkin mousse recipe is in the video description, along with where to get these awesome dessert cups, so definitely check it out. So after I poured the pumpkin mousse in the dessert cups, I let it sit in the fridge for about 2 hours before I generously dusted the top with pumpkin pie spice, using this adorable duster that I got at Daiso. If you have any other holiday dessert ideas that you want to see me make, let me know in the comments below. I hope that you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.